Please, try this at home. We dare you. Just kidding. Now we have something interesting here. We call them motorcycle madmen. Grown men who don't want to live. The zest is gone. They just want to crash now. Fun. These competitors practice long and hard, usually after drinking lots of coffee. And the most amazing thing is, no one has ever been hurt doing this sport. This is the kind of contest that separates the men from the boys, and sometimes the boys from their motorcycles. And the Energizer Bunny is carried off on a gurney. I wouldn't wish this sport on a dog.